What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. What is the correct top view of the square pyramid below? So again, here is the square pyramid. This base, it looks like it's a rectangle, but that's just from the angle. So it's a square base, and it is a pyramid. And we're looking from the top down, coming straight down. We got these different options, A, B, C, and D. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So for this one, we're going through the different choices. Maybe we can do a little bit of elimination via pattern recognition. This is all about spatial reasoning. Now, one thing I can say is these diagonal lines over here are these slants, right? Those sides coming in like that, right? So you notice we have green, blue, red, and sort of that light pink color, light purple color. And it should be in that order for the correct option. So if we look at A, right? Green should be between blue and that light purple or pinkish color. And here, green is between blue and then red on the other side. So I can immediately dismiss A. By the way, we also have these on the bottom, right? Making that square. And it should also be in that pattern. It should be, you know, the orientation could move, but it should be orange next to blue, next to purple, next to brown as well. So we can use that as a factor to eliminate. Next, immediately I see on this one, I see blue on the base. Blue is not on the base, it's on that slant again. So again, B is out as well. Now if we look at D, right? I see blue, I see green, that matches, but then what I should see next in that order would be that pink or light purple color, which instead I see brown. So we can also eliminate D. Now if we look at C, that is the correct answer, and let me show you why. Again, we see blue, green, light purple, and then red. Same pattern here, blue, green, light purple, and then red. And then for the bottom, let me erase all this real quick. We see yellow, light blue, purple, brown. Yellow or orange or whatever, light blue, purple, brown. And so that's it. C is your winner. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.